About to get buzzed, it looks like. Power on, going around. Here, backfiring. Good landing. Oh, power on. Out here, 9 Charlie 2. This is the north-south runway. Well, actually, it's a taxiway for real airplanes, but we fly RC on it north-south. Like I said, Dad's out in the Tin Bird, having a good old time. About to get buzzed. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Oh shit. Stand here like a man and take it. Oh. Yeah, that's good. That's that good stuff right there. Sounds good. Looking good. Looking real good. So hard to hold the camera still at zoom. Of course, getting buzzed doesn't help either. It is fun though. See adrenaline going. He's got the birds all flying around. They're all agitated by his buzzings. Looks like we're gonna get it again here. Oh no, he's landing. Now he wants to see the video. Got some nice nice shots of you there, old man. You still got what it takes. You got the right stuff. Maybe I should have brought my tripod. It's horribly shaky. A few steps back here so he can make his right turn to his parking spot. Good looking airplane. People are flying around in trashy shit. Not you. Got that nice sheet metal home built. All aircraft aluminum. That's a pretty nice airplane actually. That's a good flyer. Good flyer. I'm gonna zoom in on the legend. A nice helmet. That's great. Ultra Cruiser. Alright, we'll get some up closes here in a sec. Quite the work getting out of it, isn't it?
Yeah, getting in is a bit of a job.
What is it again? The airplane?
Oh, it's an Ultra. Yeah, it's one of those. Tin Bird.
Tin Bird.
It is a Ultra Cruiser.
What's the horsepower?
It's got all the 30 horse on a 2-cylinder Volkswagen. It's been stroked.
Very nice.
Weighs 210 pounds. Leaking oil like a bitch.
And where can people get one?
You gotta build them.
Gotta build it.
Got a second one underway.
Got a second one on the way.
Be the hot rod Ultra Cruiser. 10G wings. 10G fuselage. Have a 4-cylinder in it. It'll be 8-foot shorter wing.
Sure is something.
It's my big radio control.
You said you could fly this with radio control.
I could. Real easy.
Because the stick movement's really light.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Close the canopy while you're walking around. You can take a close up of that engine too.
$30 horse.
Get a close up of the oil leak on the rocker box.
Oh yeah.
Inside the fuselage.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Reseal it.
Oily. How big's prop?
That prop's 54 inches.
54 inches. Yeah, it sure is gnarly. Flies good, flies slow.
I was doing 80 mile an hour once.
Yeah, but when you went over the top of that tree and did that little...
Oh, I did turn around?
Yeah, that was pretty slow.
Slowed right up about 25 mile an hour.
I didn't get